Many people face difficulties waking up in the morning. I'm going to solve this by creating the ultimate alarm clock. Here's the plan. The biggest problem with the modern day alarm clock is the snooze button, wasting people anywhere from 5 to 20 minutes in the morning. This alarm clock will disincentivize the use of the snooze button. The alarm clock will ring normally the first time it goes off. If the snooze button is pressed, the next alarm will be a painfully loud sound that will tarnish your ears. The second time the snooze button is pressed, the alarm clock will post a random photo from your gallery to your Instagram account. First, I'm going to create a basic framework for the alarm clock, which includes setting a time for the alarm to ring and turning the alarm on and off. So I made a clock in which you can adjust what time it goes off at and a toggle button underneath. Then, I found an extremely painful sound, downloaded it, and changed the default ringtone of the alarm clock to this sound after the alarm was snoozed for the first time. Finally, I implemented an Instagram API that could automatically upload a picture. I used a random number generator to choose a photo from the phone's gallery and push it through to the API. This video was inspired by an MIT student group who created this as a prototype for their final project. Thank you for watching.